Hey folks, and welcome back to the mountain. I'm Tony from Gagnon's Mountain Homestead, and we're going to clean up a mess out here today. So as you remember, a few days ago we cut a tree down from over there. It landed over here. We got all these limbs to pick up. We got a few more logs. We got another tree over there that I cut into logs. We got to get those limbs. We're going to bring them over here, and we're going to use our chipper today. I would love to have a grapple bucket about now. All right, folks, so what I got left, I get stuff that's too big for the chipper. Some of these, a couple of these will go on the mill. The stuff that's too big for the chipper and too small for the mill will cut up into wood to burn, either in Sweetie, the fire pit, or even in the wood stove. And all these branches and stuff, we will pick up all of them. A lot of these will go to the goats. They like the needles. The hemlock I have on the tractor right now, we'll set that off to the side for the goats. Alright folks, I'm just going to keep on chipping. I'm not going to show you it all, but I'll show you when I'm done. Big pile we got. Well, there you go folks. There's our big old pile of chips that we got today. Quite a bit of work today, and that's going to be it. So subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and as always folks, God bless.